Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
This morning's heavy rains across portions of Acadiana set new daily rainfall records for both Lafayette and New Iberia, and I'm sure it set records for most of Vermilion Parish, Iberia, and up into St. Martin, as many locations saw 6 to 12 inches of rain as that stationary front kind of stalled out right over top the area, producing training showers all morning long. But the rain has come to an end. We're just now dealing with cloudy skies, and that's what it looks like outside right now. Taking a look at our weather video, you can see those cloudy skies over the park, and so with the clouds and the rain, no one really outside enjoying the park. It's not going to be that good of a day to be out at the park tomorrow, but it does look like by Thursday the sunshine might be returning, and it might be a nice day to maybe take the dog out to the park or just maybe go for a run, as temperatures will remain on the cool side in the next couple days. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, you can see the heavy rains that pushed in across a good portion of Acadiana this morning, but during the afternoon the rains finally began to let up, and most of us are slowly beginning to dry out now. If those flood waters back through Vermilion and into Iberia are going down, but it's going to be a slow process. The good news is I'm not expecting any more rain through the rest of this evening. As you can see, the showers that we had over western portions of Acadiana this afternoon are dying out, and we're not expecting a whole lot more. Maybe one or two could work down towards the point, but it's going to run into that front and not really maybe make its way in across the area. Here's a look at some of those rainfall totals from earlier today. You can see close to 2 inches for Opelousas, around 1.5 inches, but officially at the airport they got 1.8 inches of rain here in Lafayette. Over towards Crowley and much of Acadia Parish, just over 1 inch, but you can see where all the big winners were down through Vermilion Parish and into Iberia. As you can see, just to the north of the intercoastal city, about 9 inches of rain fell actually in the Henry area to Esterwood. They received anywhere from 11 to 12 inches of rain this morning, and you can see that's why we are dealing with widespread flooding concerns in these areas still at this late evening. So if any roadways are still covered with water, remember, turn around, don't drown. The water eventually will go down, and you can probably find another way to get home. About 5.5 inches in Abbeville, but the mayor actually reporting close to 8 inches in some areas, especially on the southern portion of Abbeville, close to 6 inches in Delcombe, while New Iberia saw anywhere from 3.5 to 5 inches of rain from this morning. But as mentioned, the rains have come to an end for the last several hours, and that is allowing those floodwaters to go down, as all advisories now have been able to expire here at 6:15. 64 degrees is what we got right now with cloudy skies at the airport. Winds are picking up out of the north-northeast at 12, and that's going to help to push that front out into the Gulf of Mexico later tonight and into our Wednesday, but it will remain very brisk with the winds this evening and into tomorrow, so I don't think fog is going to be much of an issue this evening. You can see where that stationary front has been located throughout much of the day is the temperature difference, as they got into the mid-80s from Houma over towards New Orleans, still hanging on to the 80s at this 6 o'clock hour, but we're in the 60s, so some fall-like temperatures for Acadiana, and then almost feeling like winter up towards Monroe and Shreveport as they're sitting in the mid-50s. Temperatures aren't going to move a whole lot through this evening thanks to those cloud covers, and that's what you can see. Not seeing a whole lot going on there. Maybe 63 degrees by tomorrow morning, 70 degrees down towards Morgan City, while it could be in the 50s up towards Alexandria. Tomorrow afternoon with lots of cloud cover, maybe a few peaks of sun, and maybe just a 20% chance for a stray shower. Temperatures get into those 70s. For our Thursday morning, a little bit cooler, maybe lower 60s to upper 50s, but with some sunshine Thursday afternoon, temperatures will start to rebound into the upper 70s. So starting to slowly warm back up as we could be heading towards the 80s by Friday. This evening, though, 62 degrees with cloudy and cool conditions, maybe a stray drizzle with the winds beginning to stay up anywhere from 8 to 13 miles out of the north-northeast. For our Wednesday, it will be another dreary day with lots of clouds around and a few showers to start today, but otherwise just going to be kind of on the cool and breezy side. 72 with those winds picking up 10 to 15, some gusts up to 20 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. Sunshine for Thursday, upper 70s. Mid-80s by Friday out ahead of the next system that arrives late Friday into Saturday, dropping temperatures back down into the 70s, maybe a 40% chance for some scattered showers. We stay dry through the first half of next week with temperatures in the 70s. Next front then looks to arrive Wednesday and the Thursday. That does have the potential of maybe bringing some stronger storms and even some severe weather, so that's what we're going to be watching in the coming days.